Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make stir-fry at home. First, let's talk about preparation, which is key to a successful stir-fry. Begin by gathering and chopping all your ingredients before you even turn on the stove. Marinate your chosen protein, like chicken or tofu, for a minimum of 30 minutes to infuse it with delicious flavor. Also, mix your stir-fry sauce ahead of time. This simple step saves valuable minutes during the fast cooking process. Now, let's get cooking. The secret to a great stir-fry is using very high heat. Heat your wok or large skillet until it's smoking hot before adding any oil. Cook your ingredients in small batches. This prevents the pan from cooling down and ensures everything cooks evenly. Each batch should only take about 2 to 4 minutes to cook, keeping your vegetables crisp and your protein tender. Building incredible flavor is essential for a delicious stir-fry. Start by quickly sautéing aromatics such as minced garlic and grated ginger for about 30 seconds to create a fragrant base. Next, add your vegetables, starting with harder ones like carrots, then softer ones like bell peppers. Finally, pour in your pre-made stir-fry sauce during the last 60 seconds of cooking, tossing everything to coat evenly. You've done it, your homemade stir-fry is ready. For the best experience, serve it immediately over a bed of fluffy rice or your favorite noodles. Don't be afraid to get creative. Try different proteins like beef or shrimp and a wide array of vegetables. Remember, the key to that perfect texture is always starting with a smoking hot pan before adding your oil and ingredients. Enjoy your delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.